There you go, Scotty.
Hey.
What's happening here?
So as you can tell, we're getting ready to put the other fuel rail in. All the new injectors are in. They've all been greased and ready to go. We're replacing all the O-rings. Well, this is the backside fuel rail. You can see the one right here.
Yep,
so we're doing the back one here.
You loved her luber.
Yep.
So put a little rubber grease on.
Yep. So that is so far stretched that when I took it off, I could have blown it off. How that didn't leak is
it's not like you
beyond me.
Blown things like that prior.
Well, you know, hey, it is what it is.
Anyway.
So we're gonna get the last one done there.
We got our injectors in.
Yep. So.
And then we put in our rail.
Yeah. Now it's just getting everything together.
All right. Do it
so,
to it.
Adam, I promise you, buddy, I'm doing everything I can to get it done as quickly as possible.
Yep. We'll have
but
it up
the good part is
today.
you've been here. You see the work that's been done. You see what's going on. So we're very happy that you're pleased with what we're doing. But on that note, my friend, sayonara.